I'm Jennifer and I'm super excited you're here today for the Wreaths Galore 24 collaboration. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. This collaboration video is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and At Home with Lisa. Guest host Gigi Faison. Co-hosts are listed here. Don't forget to go check out these other channels. All you have to do to find it is go to hashtag Wreaths Galore 24. Today I'm going to be making a wonderful burlap bow for my fall wreath. Let me show you just how easy it is. I'm going to take this roll of craft ribbon that's from the Dollar Tree, and happily this ribbon is wired, which means it has a little wire on each side, and this wire will keep its shape no matter how I bend it. That is awesome. I love that. First I'm going to just make a tail. Just decide how long you want the tail to be, and then I'm going to make a little loop in the middle and just twist this just like this. And then I'll squeeze that together, and then I'm just going to start making some more loops. I'll make loops on both sides. And I'm going to try my very best to make the loops the same size. Every time I join them together, I'm going to squeeze it close, and then if you twist it, it keeps its shape that much better. So I'll make another loop. It's always much easier to make bows when you have a ribbon that's the same exact color on both sides. And then just decide how many loops you want and twist it, hold it together. And make sure before you do all this that you have something handy to tie it at the end. I just have a big black twist tie. I think that should be just fine. 4 big loops. Now I'll just bring this ribbon down. This is the piece that's at the end, the long end that's still connected to the cardboard roll. I could have taken it off of here, but I wanted to leave it so I could show you that that's the piece that's still connected. Now I'll just bring this piece down, and I want mine to be trimmed at an angle. So I'm just going to go and trim it right across, just like the other one. So both ends are matching. Now that I have that done, I'm going to take my big twist tie and I'm going to put it through the entire thing, right through the loop where I originally started. Then I'll bring it around to the back and I'll turn it upside down to where all the ribbons come together where I twisted it. And then I'll just twist this twist tie up nice and tight. And I have a nice long one because this way it'll allow me to attach it to my wreath. Well, it's time to do that now. I'll find a really good place. Here's a really nice place right here. Now that I have my bow attached to my wreath, I need to go back and start spreading out and fluffing up the bow. As you can see, this wired ribbon really makes a lovely bow. Don't forget to fluff up the middle loop in the front. And just keep working with it until you get the exact look that you're hoping for. And there we have it. And then I have the nice little tails coming right off the wreath. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to hang our wreath on the front door. Before we take our wreath to the door, let me show you the back of it. On the back of my wreath, I hot glued these little pads. These are little felt pads that you can buy anywhere. The Dollar Tree even has these, and they're to put under things that may scratch your furniture. You just peel them off and stick them. However, they don't stick very well to a wreath outside on my front door, so I just pull them off and hot glue the sticky part and stick it right to my wreath. And this way it keeps it from scratching my front door. Let's put up our wreath and see how it looks. It looks absolutely beautiful. It is so nice to be greeted at the front door by a lovely, beautiful fall wreath. I had had so much fun fixing up my wreath today to put on my front door. I am so excited and so ready for fall. I'm so happy and grateful you were here today. I had so much fun being part of this collaboration. I really appreciate everyone that participated. I would be so happy if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.